Hi, everybody. My name is Martin Boss. I'm the COO of Manning Technology Services. We're a last mile contractor focused on installations in the home and service drops. I like to spend a lot of time helping to educate people on what we do as far as installation and the proper ways to do installation to have a better impact on the community and the people that we service, as well as to educate people in the community on why we do what we do. I do a lot of training with our employees, and I think that something that's been missing is more training out in the field. There's everybody gets super busy and they're out there trying to get things done, but the training sometimes gets left behind. You take an employee and you give them a couple weeks of training, you put them out in the field, and then you kind of forget about that. That we need to retouch that part of the process and actually continually to train these employees so they can do a better job. Lighten it up.